Welcome to Deep Dumps. At Deep Dumps, our mission is to help you pass your certification exams with confidence. Gain access to the latest exam dumps, PDFs, and online practice tests, all carefully updated to match real exam patterns. With our exam-ready study material, you'll always have the right resources at your fingertips whenever you need them. Thousands of learners trust Deep Dumps, and top performers consistently rely on our material to clear exams on their very first attempt. We back you with 24/7 customer support via email or live chat. And our dedicated experts are always ready to solve your technical doubts and guide you step by step. Download important questions and answers in PDF. Practice with high-quality questions and detailed explanations, and move closer to guaranteed success. Visit deepdumps.com today and succeed in one go. Question 1. Which three conditions can occur when metering traffic using a dual token bucket traffic policing course mechanism on Cisco routers? Choose 3. Option A. Conform. Option B. Pass. Option C. Violate. Option D. Exceed. Option E. Burst. Option F. Matched. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. Conform. Option C. Violate. Option D. Exceed. Question 2. What is the correct formula for determining the CIR? Option A. CIR equals BC, TC. Option B. CIR equals BC x TC. Option C. CIR equals TC, BC. Option D. CIR equals BC plus B. Option E. CIR equals TC, BC plus B. Option F. CIR equals BC plus B, TC. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. CIR equals BC, TC. Visit deepdumps.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Deep Dumps. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.